Tyson Lund with the LundTeam standing outside Calavera Lake. We just got through processing our great new listing, 3722 Sandpoint. Original owners, first time available for you to purchase. Ideal, the three words that describe this property is location, location, location. Ideally located within the street itself, end of cul-de-sac, extra large lot with this big driveway leading in. You've got an elevated parcel, so you have no neighbors behind you, around you. You get all this bright natural light throughout the day. And the owners have just greatly improved the property. They have bamboo and tile flooring. They have black granite kitchen, newer appliances, stainless steel. If you were more modern, you can go modern. If you're more traditional, you can do that. That's the beautiful thing about Barrington. It's newly constructed, and in a short walking distance, you can walk directly across the street to the top-ranked elementary school, top-ranked middle school, Calavera Hills Park, which has year-round events all year round, tons of clubs, great sports activities for the entire family. I'm standing outside here in Calavera Lake and some of the beautiful nature preserve and trails. If you are relocating from out of the area, know that Calavera Hills draws just a ton of people. You're just minutes from the downtown Carlsbad, you're minutes from everything. It's just really, really great. And this is the type of property that doesn't come up that often. You have complete privacy, and really you have a great property. So we're gonna have this on open house. We're gonna have it available for you to see, and we priced it so well to just be the best value in the current market. Tyson Lund with the LundTeam. Visit us online at LundTeam.com. Send us an email. Call us at 760-438-0800 and come see this wonderful new property. We're excited to show you. It's really special.